I have been sick for 2 days, so excuse my low energy. I'm also kind of like in the clouds because I took a NyQuil and I'm just kind of, you know, yeah. Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a second prom makeup look. This one's definitely more for like the makeup lovers who want to go a little bit glam, a little bit glittery. But yeah, we have this really pretty warm gold lid and kind of like a faux cut crease with that glitter liner, which I think is so stunning. An easy way to incorporate some glitter into your makeup look that's not too messy or annoying. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see the rest of my prom videos and watch my previous ones as well. I have 2 videos, one makeup look and then a dress haul. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyelid with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Then I'm going to set that using my favorite beige shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Now I'm going into the Morphe 39A palette and I'm just going to start with the lightest transition color and I'm just going to lightly blend that into my crease. And then just tapping into the next 3 shades, kind of mixing them all together and just putting those in the same place, building up some definition. I'm going to tap into kind of like a burnt orangey brown color, just a little bit warmer, and I'm going to build that right on top of the crease. Next I'm taking the shade Parallel from the ABH Prism palette and I'm starting by stamping this on the outer corner. We're just going to start kind of blending that in our outer V and into the crease. I'm also going to take a little bit of this and bring this in to the inner corner and just smoke that out. Then I'm lightly tapping in to ABH Cypress Umbar from the Modern Renaissance palette, which is just a little bit of a deeper, more chocolatey brown, and focusing that on the outer corner. Now I'm going in with this white gold shade called Pure from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm getting this wet and then I'm kind of creating a half cut crease, but just slightly. I'm not using concealer to cut it out, I'm just doing it with the shadow. This is not going to be super precise, just roughly. And on top of that, I'm layering a little bit of this gold shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Then going back in with the brown, and I'm going to start to blend these two together. Then using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Midnight Cowboy, I'm just going to trace that line, and I kind of want a thicker line of glitter here, so don't be scared to go thick with it. And then I'm just going to blend out the outer corner just a little bit more. So I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, which I've never tried before and I think it looks so good. And now I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to brighten the center of my face. I'm going to set with the Laura Mercier Translucent. I'm going to bronze up the face with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light and just contour out my cheekbones a little bit. I'm also bringing some of these powders down my nose just to bring it some warmth and contour it a little bit. I'm going to take this shade on my beauty blender and I'm going to carve out the cheekbones with that. Okay, so I'm going to do my lower lash line and I'm going to go into this warm shade that we used earlier called Vibrant. This is just like a warm burnt brown color and I'm just going to start placing this on my lower lash line. I'm also taking that dark brown from the outer corner and placing that right up close to the lower lash line. And then we're going to blend all of this out in a second. I'm blending this out with a bigger brush just so it gets really smoked out because I'm really liking that really smoked out lower lash line recently. I think it's a good look. Next I'm going to add this blush called Angelic, and this is by Tarte. Alright, so I'm picking up this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette to highlight my brow bone. This is such a killer highlight. And then I'm also taking a little bit of this on the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter and place that right on top. Give a little bit more of a golden highlight. And I'm also going to highlight my face with this. Okay, I put on some lashes and now I'm going back in with that Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner, and I'm going to kind of dispersely put some over my inner corner highlight. I'm just going to use a little brush to kind of disperse the glitter so that it's not like gold, but just little pieces of glitter in the inner corner. Alrighty, and then lastly, I'm just going to add a lip color, and this is one of my favorites. This is Teddy Bear by Milani. And then in the center, I'm going to put a little bit of this NYX Butter Gloss. Okay, and then of course, gotta set the face. If you guys like this look, this is a little bit more of a glam version. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below to see the rest of my prom videos. Stay tuned for my prom vlog. Those are always the most fun. So to make sure you see it, make sure you turn on your post notifications. Leave me any comments of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.